3-Act Math is another building number sense resource to get kids talking about numbers and interacting with numbers in context. And you're going to find it down at the bottom in the placeholder for technology and problem solving. It'll say 3-Act Math. And this link will take you to a sheet that starts in kindergarten and does go farther down all the way through 5th grade, 6th grade, and a few high school secondary. So we're going to look at how 3-Act Math works. We're going to pick one called the Graham Cracker for 1st grade. 3-Act Math has just that, 3 acts. There's first a short video. In this case, it's a 15-second video. And you're going to ask your kids, what do you notice and what do you wonder? So in this case, how many of the crackers come inside the box, and an estimate, and what could be an estimate that's way too high and an estimate that's way too low. So we want to start to gather what's reasonable numbers for how many of these small pieces of graham cracker there are inside the box. So in Act 2, once we've kind of had a discussion about too high and too low, we might ask the kids, what information would you like to know? They might want to know then how many sheets of crackers are in a sleeve and how many sleeves are in a box, and just those ideas of organizing things into sheets and sleeves could be an interesting conversation. And so when we click on these, they're going to reveal for us a picture where we can then count and decide how many sheets are inside a sleeve and the number of sleeves per box. And then this is going to give us a better idea for that, how many pieces of graham cracker even come on a sheet. So you're going to allow the kids lots of time to discuss and talk about, maybe even use some whiteboards to sort of figure out what they think is too high and too low, and if they can get a pretty good estimate. And then we have Act 3 is after we've done lots of discussing and picture creating, we might want to look at the end result and see how we did. So this would tell us for sure how many crackers are going to be in a box. So 3-act tasks align to standards and give you the big idea. And I'm sure once your kids get the hang of it, they're going to want to create some of their own 3-act math to see if they can get discussion going among their classmates.